Okay, on to part 2. We're going to eliminate this problem for now. It's a problem we'll come back to later in the year. We're going to do these bottom two next. It says a daily revenue function for a company is given by r of x equals negative 12x squared plus 100x, where x is the number of units produced. What is the max profit for the company? Well, it's an upside down parabola because it's negative x squared. And there's a point right here, and that would be my max. As for the max profit, it's going to happen at that point. So we're going to find, basically, is what we're going to do is we're going to find that point. So I'm going to go negative b over 2a, always finds the vertex of a parabola. Negative 100 over 2 times negative 12. That'll be 100 over 24. 100 divided by 24 is 4.16, repeating, 4.17 basically. If I want to find the other part of the vertex, so basically we found the x part. If I want to find the y part, I will do negative 12 times 4.16 squared plus 100 times 4.16, and I'll get an answer. Now I'm going to let you guys do that, so you have to do a little bit of work here. This is the number of units produced. This is the max profit. So whenever you have a problem like this, you have to pick one of those two, either the x value, which is what this is, or the y value, which is what this is, and one of those two will usually be the answer for the max profit or the number of units produced. So you're going to find that answer and you're going to write it down right there. Explain how the given solutions fit with the given graph. It says x equals no real solutions. Well, on this picture, it does not hit the x-axis. If it does not hit the x-axis, there are no zeros along the x-axis, there are no solutions. We would have a graph that has no real solutions because it doesn't hit the x-axis. So we're going to write the graph does not touch the x-axis, which would imply there are no real solutions. In fact, we do have a type of solution. Why don't you write that type down right now, what type of solution you think it has. Okay, it should have imaginary solutions. In other words, if you solved an equation out where the equation gave you that graph, if you solved the quadratic part of it out, you would end up with an I in your answer.